Could snap that, okay? You could put your dominant hand, whichever hand you like, lock your fingers, lock your elbows, space your knees appropriately, and lean over the patient. You want to use your body weight to your advantage, okay? Don't lean back, lean forward, and then press down hard and fast. Minimum 2 inches in depth, rate of 100 to 100. Breaking ribs, right? Everybody see that? You get your momentum going and you just go for it. 30 compressions, 2 breaths. If I'm by myself. If we have a partner, somebody takes care of the airway, somebody takes care of the compressions, we divide the workload, okay? What I don't want to see is mild. We're going to do a one-handed compression. Same posture, lock your elbow. You could put your other hand over your wrist or on your leg here, and then you press down. For a child, it's 2 inches, 100 and old. The face shield is a piece of plastic with a one-way filter valve right there. So it will allow me to blow into my victim's mouth. However, if he were to vomit and I'm making out with him, it's going to stop right there. It's a one-way like flapper valve.
Chin lift, 2.
Rescue mask or pocket mask also has a one-way filter valve. It has a head strap, and then the face piece, wide part goes to the bottom, pointing part to the nose. This one requires a little more skill to use. This one you put over the patient's face, head strap over the head. You use what's called the EC method. The E goes on the jaw to tilt the head back. The C presses down to create a good seal. And then I'm going to give a 1 second breath. This one offers a little more space between him and I, right? That way we're not making out like that piece of plastic. But again, there's more skill. The most common issue I see with people.
We started off pumping Elizabeth. No, we started off.